Today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Steve Madden discount promo codes. It is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Steve Madden discount promo code. Right here, go to this website, we just call couponfollow.com. And as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that you can use to get some discounts. For example, right here, if you want to get this 50% discount of your order, all you need to do is just tap on this button where it says show coupon code. And right here, this is the promo code that you can simply copy and apply this one on the next purchase in order to get a 50% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called returnmail.com. And right here, as you can see, we also have some promo codes and deals that you can use to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this 10% discount of your orders, all you need to do is just tap on this button where it says show code. And you see the promo code right here. You can simply tap on this button to copy this promo code and leave it on the next purchase in order to get the 10% discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.